my early days shop. I mean, it's not early because this is probably the third kitchen that I'm getting paid for, but one day we're gonna look at this and we're gonna reminisce of the days when we used to make cabinets in people's garages and whatnot, and have to improvise all kinds of things so we could have straight edges. Anyway, but I could tell you that much. If you could build beautiful cabinets and beauty with not a lot of resources, imagine what we're gonna do with a lot of resources and a lot of huge table saws like that one in the back. Think about the 96 by 96, so I could turn them and do whatever I want, and a bunch of air compressors and all that next to me. Phew. I'm telling you, we're only getting better and better and better, and we only want to work harder and smarter and better. Here I am at the end of the day. I have all the boxes for the walls. Look at that, how beautiful they are, right? All of those were built today, with the exception of two ones right there, 24 by 30. But the rest, look how beautiful they are. Man, am I happy. Whew. Does it look spectacular? I can't emphasize how joyful and proud I am. I busted my ass today, but very good. I'm very happy. Look at that beautiful thing. I want to say thank you, Diane and Raymond, for allowing me to do this wonderful work for you guys. This is it. I'm gonna get going. I clean, I wipe the floor. Look at this beautiful transition. All that silicone, please make sure you don't use it for a day. And let's go on the other side. Let's look around there. Please, I would ask kindly not to use the sink for tonight because I have silicone. Look at that. All that silicone line between the glass and the countertop. Neatly and beautiful done. Anyway, I clean the floors. That's the island. I wipe the floors so everything is nice and neat. We are done here. We'll see you in 6 months.